Hey guys, Troy at National Transmission here, working on a 68 RFE today. I had a trouble code of P0871, overdrive pressure switch rationality. Very common code on all RFE transmissions. Basically what happens is there's wear in the solenoid switch valve here. It's going to be really tough to see in there with the camera, but we'll get some pictures taken and post those as well. With wear in the valve body itself is basically these valves. Okay, so you have your switch valve and then you have your switch valve plugs held in with a little plastic cap. So this is just the end plug. These switch valves basically move back and forth, diverting oil through certain channels. Now Sonics has an updated kit for it. We basically ream the valve body out to save the valve body for the customer. Saves the money as well as we get to reuse the valve body then. So basically we ream it out and we put a larger diameter valve in. Nice thing about this kit is they actually have an end plug that has an O-ring on it, as well as inside this plug it's basically held together with a little pin. So it's going to stop these from rocking back and forth, and that's where most of the wear comes in. Okay, so in order to do that, we're going to have to basically mount this onto our reamer setup here. Basically going to put our jig together here. We're going to install our tool. This is going to slide in to this lineup, valve lineup here. That's going to ensure that we're 100% straight on this when we go to ream it. Okay, lock her into place here, ensure that it is 100% perpendicular and up and down, and then as well as latch the valve body down to our jig. Now we could pull this out and we get a reamer setup happening. Just going to lubricate it, get lots of cutting oil on it, stick it in, and then as we ream, you see it actually cutting. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up now, and the test really is putting our new valve inside the fresh bore, and if it basically falls down like that, that's a good sign. It shows that it's nice and free, and we're good to go.